This is a 2008 Toyota Sequoia, a big SUV for big fun. The most desirable features on board this Toyota include a heated driver's seat, a sunroof, a navigation system, a premium audio system, a parking camera, side impact airbags, and this vehicle has just over 30,000 miles. The steady 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, produces enough power to comfortably merge into any traffic situation. This vehicle has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking SUV.